Welcome to Paper Academy. So in this tutorial, I'm just going to demonstrate, completely walk you through with a Burp Suit. Burp Suit is a wonderful tool which is specifically used in testing a web application, in identifying the vulnerabilities, and especially for if you are performing, if you have a plan to perform bug bounty, or you are plan to do a web application penetration testing, something else. So Burp Suit plays a very important. There are like three licenses are there. One is a commercial, enterprise, and professional editions. Burp Suit have in a various options. But we going for this demonstration, I'm just going to pick the community edition, which comes with pre-installed with the Kali. So it's a wonderful tool. So I'm just going through walk through with start how to launch it and how to set up and how to use the Burp Suit, and with each key features, what are the key features are there, comes with the community features, and how you can start your web application penetration testing with the vulnerable application, which is specifically designed for practice purpose. So that, and watch this video till the end, because in the end of the video I'm going to show how you can take this furthermore, how you can take your skills up, you can up skills on that I'm just for a bonus tip. So just keep watching on it without skipping the video. In today's digital world, your business is constantly at risk from evolving cyber threats and complexity of data governance. Whether you are a startup, freelancer, or even a home-based entrepreneur, protecting your data and system is more important than ever. That's why I come in. I offer affordable, tailored freelance cybersecurity service designated to protect your small business, startup, and solo entrepreneur. Whether you are a content creator or a trader or anyone running a small business from home, here are some key services. Red teaming to simulate the real-time cyber attack to identify the vulnerabilities and strengthen your security posture. Expertise your security advisor to guide you in the data governance, compliance, and security standard by using a various cybersecurity framework. Hands-on security awareness training to protect from advanced phishing and social engineering attacks. I provide the tools and knowledge to strengthen your defense, whether you need a SIM support to monitor and manage threat in the real time. Digital forensics to recover from an incident, I got you covered. Cybersecurity doesn't need to be a complicated or expensive. I offer affordable, practical solution for business just like yourself. For more information, visit thefedric.in or contact me today for free consultation today. Secure your business with me. So as I said earlier, the Burp Suit comes with the Kali. So you just, if you are installed the Kali, well and good. I'm not going to walk with the Kali installations. There are like a lot of videos are there in the Kali installations, and check out my Kali introductions. This is also, so basically in this video I have talked about the how to install and all the key factors. If suppose you are a beginner, you are not sure about the Kali, so probably this video will help you over there. So now what we'll do is we'll go and launch the Burp Suit. So you just search for a Burp Suit. So Burp Suit is already installed, it just comes with it. So you can click OK. You no need to worry about all this messages. Just ensure your Kali always keep up to date, so that all these things over there. So now this is the first time if you are launching, this is a Burp Suit community, so you want to help the Burp Suit by accepting feedback, supported performance, or this is a one thing. So probably I just accepting it over there. It's completely depends you. Temporary project in a memory. For example, if you're just going to do a certain project for the just one time and you're going to close it, you can do it over there. Or you can save this project later on as well, and you can open the existing project as well. So for in the community edition, this is the only temporary project is available. So I'm just clicking the next, and I'm just starting with the Burp Suit default configurations. So I'm just loading with it. In case if you are looking for an alternative tool to the Burp Suit, there is a alternative tool is OSApp Zap tool. So that is also a wonderful tool. It's a freeware, but it have a plenty of features which is not Burp Suit having over there. In case if you want to know about it, I have already made a video in the channel, so please feel free to check out this video. Okay, so now once you are launched it, this is the where your first page will be landing on it. So dashboard, targets, proxy, intruder, repeater, collaborator, sequencer, decode, compare, logger, organizer, extension, and learn. So these are the things comes with the Burp Suit Community Edition. So first of all, we have to set the Cali so that the traffic has to intercept. So basically, intercept is nothing but just the traffic. We just make sure the entire web traffic flows via Burp Suit. We just intercepting from the usually the web application go from client to server directly. We just intercepting that traffic and make sure the traffic from client reach to Burp Suit, and Burp Suit goes to server and server comes back, so vice versa. So that entire traffic goes via Burp Suit so that we can understand, or we can do our web application testings layer by layer, and also we can completely understand how the web application works, and based on that we can do a vulnerability assessment on the web applications. So to do that, first of all, you just need to go to the proxy settings, and you have to configure this proxy. This is a local address 8080. You have to configure it over there. So as I said, so Kali comes with a pre-installed Firefox. So this is a web application. We're going to test it. So basically test php.vulnerab.com. So this is the web page. This is a vulnerable web page. So for that they designed for SQL injection, cross scripting, and cross script. So this is, you can practice over there. Also along with that, you can test it other things over there, low hanging fruits. And from this is actually a good web page. You don't need to install it. You just need to navigate to this web page, and you can just by intercepting the traffic, you can, anyway in the minute I'm going to show you how to do that, so you don't need to worry about it. So this is a fantastic web page for a beginner to configure the Burp Suit. So you can do it in a two manner. One is you can go to the settings and look for proxy, search for proxy, then settings. Here you can select the manual proxy 127.0.0.1, and the port number is 8080. You can click, and you can click OK on it. You can do it this method one. The other method, which is more convenient, because every time suppose you want it, you have to come back and you have to disable. So the other most convenient manner is you can go to the Firefox, and this plugin is actually available all the Brave browser and Chrome as well, so that you can download this and install it. I have already installed this plugin, so let me pin to the toolbar. So all I just need to do is I need to quickly add this one. So let me quickly add. Let me go to the option, and here proxy, add. Here I'm just going to name it as Burp Suit, and let me change the color to red color. You can keep it as whatever the color, so it doesn't matter. Here host number, you have to give the local IP addresses, and the port number is 8080. Username, password, you can leave it. You don't need to worry about countries. You can reminding things, you can leave it as it is. You don't need to touch anything over there. Just save it. The settings will be saved. Once it is saved, you can able to see that. See, this is if there is an option called, this is to disable it. I'll show you here. See, for example, if I just searching for facebook.com, Facebook is just going on it, right? So it will go to the internet without reaching to the Burp Suit, and it goes over there. If I just switch it to Burp Suit, the traffic will goes via Burp Suit over there. Okay, sorry for the internet. There is the internet, it is pretty slow in my today, so sorry for it. So let me just stop it. Let me close everything for to avoid the confusions. So what I'll do is, now I'll just intercept the traffic, There is other options, the newest the newest editions, like if you are running in the latest editions, even it comes with the own inbuilt browser as well. Open browsers and you can do it. So this is the third method. You can, by clicking that, it will automatically open a Chrome browser which is inbuilt with the Kali, sorry, a Burp Suit. So you can use that as well without all the settings. So it's easy. If you're a beginner, you can try that as well. It's up to you. There are three options. Whatever options it's more convenient for you, you can fit it with it. But I'll stick with this option. This is more I used to with it, so I just taking this option. So now the Burp Suit is on. So let me just refresh it, and before that I have to turn on this interception. Okay, so I have to turn on the interception. So now interception is on. Let me again go, and if you see that the traffic is actually intercept and it's going over there. So you can go to the target and you can see that all the traffics are happening via here and it is approaching over there. So you can see that all the everything like index.php, login.php, everything, whatever the web page, a complete information is I have received. If I want to know the login PHP, something else informations, or what is there in the index PHPs, here I can narrow down, and what is the user informations, like what is passing over there, all these informations I can get it over there. So this is gives me more idea about it. But it is a lot of details are there. It will be little overviewing for me. So what I'll do is, let me right click and add this to the scope. So only this is, I want this to be to the scope of it, so that it will easy for me to navigate and those things over there. So this is a, so if you see it comes to the scope is specifically this is, I'm going to test it over there. So in a lot of ways it's I'm not out of the scope. So this is basically my whatever the testings I'm doing, it will be in the scope of it over there, so that I can deviate from other things, or so other things it will be avoiding over there. In the dashboards you can preferably just see that what is happening, and that like task configurations and everything you can see it over there. So now let's go to the target. So now I'm in a proxy and intercept. So when you, I'll just keep it. So if you see that it's keep requesting for it. So when I click forward, the request will be forwarded here. Okay, so again I'll put it like, for example, if I just want to sign up, so the sign up request is going on it. When I click forward, it will goes to the sign up request. So that's why layer by layer I can intercept and understand what is happening over there. So now the next option what we will be doing is, we will be doing a repeater. We will be see what is the repeater capacity. So if it is sometime what usually repeaters do is, basically it's a just in the word itself, certain things if I want to do repeatedly, I just want to know what is happening by passing certain rules or certain things, just want to investigate the vulnerabilities, or just passing the values and see what is actions are happening on it. This can be using the interpreter, I can do it over there. So now what I'll do is, again I'm going to the proxy intercept. Here I'm just going to give the username. So as per the username is test and test. So let me give a test and test login. So when you see here, it is basically the value is, let me make it. Okay. So if you see that the value is passing the test and test, and if I want to send it to the repeater, so just select all the thing, right click and send it to the repeater, or you can press Control R if you are in a Windows. So this will goes to the repeater action. When you goes to repeater, so basically this action will be keep testing on it. So when I send it, this is seems like it is logging it, right? So login is successfully done. So if I just want to test it in a different manner, okay, so keep on, I want to know in case if the password I want to test it admin, is it working or not. So if say that you must log in, so that means password is wrong. Let me test with one more password admin, just try, keep trying on it. So this is something like what is happening. In this case I just Test I'm just keeping on it, but I just want to change the agent, user agent, into the previous 3.0 and see if that is actually works or not. So I'm just seeing on it. Okay, so if you see that here, I just select the user agent is 3.0, and you can go and see that it will be again user agent. You can connect it here as well. So a lot of things you can, so repeatedly certain actions you want to test it. For example, your APIs testings and those things, if you want to do repeatedly, you can bring the copy the content, whatever you are doing it, you just send it to the repeater. You can keep testing the practices over there, and here you can go and see the attributes, like what are the attributes are requesting, what are the parameters, what are the other things, password parameters and everything it's beginning. So this is the beauty of repeater one thing. And in case if you see that, let me go to the again proxy intercept, and I'm just forwarding this one, so it will be sent it to the one. But let me, if I just getting a password hash or something else, so encrypted manner, if I'm getting a certain passwords or something else, if I want to know what is the password, whether it is encrypted or it is what kind of version applications is encryptions technology technique is used or something else, if I want to know, usually there will be a password hash will be coming on it. So what I can do is I can send that value. For example, if just I'm sending this value to the decoder, send to the decoder, and obviously it's custom in it. So if you just imagine if the values in the decoder, so you can use this decode into like HTML or base64, or you can decode into hexa, see what is the values over there. You can understand what they are basically they hosted using the decoders. You can usually you can do it over there. So this is the purpose of decoding, to understand the encryptions used in the applications, and based on the encryptions, what kind of encryptions they are using on it, so probably you can use that technique and decipher it as well. So this is the beauty of it over there. Repeater, we have the intruder, we are just going to see it now. So now again I'm just going back, and so let me go to the, let me log out to the test. So let me, what I'll do is let me uh, intercept off, log out. So okay, so sign up, and here I'm just giving a random password, admin, admin. I'm just giving, so I'm just selecting here admin and admin, and let me intercept should be on. Okay, so now what I'll do is let me log in. Okay, so so now what I'll do is I'll just send this to the intruder. Intruder, here what I can do is for example, in the intruder I can do burp suit, I can do fuzzings like directories, word list, and those things I can understand it over there. So in just in case, just what I do is I just want to understand what is the username and password of this. So I want to know the complete brute force attacks on this one, so that it can perform an attack and I can see the password over there. So to do that, it's very simple. So all you just need to do is you just need to select the value and just first of all clear all the things. So whatever the values you want to change it, you have to keep it over there. For in this my case, I just want to change username and password. So username at, and this is the parameter, then later on this is the parameter, and this is the parameter. So this is the only value I just continuously need to change, and I need to get the results over there. So I'll keep it as a cipher attack. So it's insert the each payload in the positions, and it gives me the informations over there. This is the target I'm going to do it over there. Here you can apply the payload. So what I'm going to do is there are like a simple list characters, whatever you want to do it, you can do it. Here I'm just going to load some default some basics level. If you want to get a word list or something else, you can collect it. But to make this demonstration very simple, I'm just going to give admin test test pass and password. Okay, so these are the word list I am just giving on it. Let me start the attack. And this is a basically this is says that just warning, just click OK. And if you see that this is giving trying a different combinations, and you can go and check the status code. Each status code is 302, for example, if you are searching on it. This is the request kind of things, and you have to keep looking on the length. So the length is very very important. When you just change the different length, it can give you the informations about it over there. So what I'll do is let me stop this attack. I'll just, instead of this one, to make it this demonstration very simple, I'll just give this test and test, and let me clear it and add a very simple one so that you can understand easily. Add and test admin. So just giving two things. Okay, so let me now, only thing is I just want to know the password. Just imagine the case, user enumeration, I have understand this user is test. So password only, I just need to find the password. What is the password for the uname? So let me start the attack. Okay, so if you see that we just tried with the three things. So one is test, user as a test, password is a blank, status is 302, which is something login failed, and if you see the length is 258, and that username is test, password the brute force tried as admin, again status code is 302, which is a logout, which is login failure, and length of the password, I mean, length is 258, same. And the username here comes as test, password it is tried, status is 200, that means login successful. So you just need to understand a little bit on the status codes. So simple Google searches will help you on it. And if you see that it's have a different lay length, so that means the browser able to log in and it able to download other contents as well. So that is the reason of it. So by doing all, Intruder will help you to, let me discard this one. Intruder helps to do a brute force, fuzzings, lot of automates attacks on this one. So you can able to do it, and other options are you can play around it over there. The bonus tip for you guys is so how you can proceed further and enhance your skills over there. So let me disable. So I would request go to this sports figure portal. So this is sports figure is again they are the Burp Suit designer. So you can go to the academic and just all the way scroll down. You just need to sign in here. So sign in, login, you just need to do a sign up. It's basically free, and there is a limitations, but free, with the free you can do a lot of options. You can easy for you. There are like a lot of labs are there. You can click all the labs, so that specifically you can practice cross scripting, forgery, clickjacking, or HTTPS, OS command ejections, WebSocket. So you can see that there are a lot of labs are there. So the green colors are, it's a free one. This practicer is a paid one. So for your just you to practice and upskill your knowledge, this is more sufficient. Just sign up with your valid ID, and same way you can configure it and you can utilize this one. So that's all. I hope you enjoy the complete walkthrough of the Burp Suit. It will be benefited for you. So I hope you guys enjoyed and you understand how to use the Burp Suit in your bug bounties and web applications. And also along with that, I have showed the platforms which help you. You can upskill your web application penetration testings, and you can practice your things over there. Thank you for joining on this wonderful session. I hope you enjoy this content. If you enjoy and like this content, feel free to give a like to this video, and also share this video whoever looking for bug bounties, who wants to bug bounty, who wants to learn Burp Suit. So please feel free to share this video with them as well, so that they can also gain and help us to circulate this video, so that the video will be comes in a top, so that whoever needed they can view as well. So thank you, and please ensure subscribe and hit the notification bell, so that you will not miss any content which I'm posting on it. Also comment below for your feedbacks are essential on shaping of this channel. Thank you once again, and thank you for all my subscriber who supports me. Your supports really motivate and encourage me to do a lot of content for you guys. And thank you for now. See you soon with another interesting video. Bye. Take care.